The Royal Tantra on the Brilliant Diffusion of Majestic Space, from the Nyima Chubum, translated by Christopher Wilkinson. The results that we see are totally pure. The conditions that we search for are also totally pure. The causes we generate are also totally pure. Majestic purity is the dominion of the Dharma. The purifier is the dominion of the Dharma. The expander is the dominion of the Dharma. The contractor is the dominion of the Dharma. The absence of expansion and contraction is the dominion of the Dharma. The body of the victorious one is methodically built from out of our dominion. It is made from forms that do not forget. We have neither distractions nor mindfulness, so majestic equanimity is the sky of our mother. It is the space of the all-good mother herself. Each and every sentient being in the three realms refers to her as their mother. She is the all-good mother. While she gives birth, she gives birth. While she nourishes, she nourishes. The one we refer to as our Father is the all-good one. While he gives birth, he gives birth. While he supports us, he supports us. In the space of the all-good, there is no base or support. In the unborn dominion, there is no birth or withering. There is no birth or ending, so this is beyond any nurturing or killing. Anything at all may appear from out of nothing. The mind itself is the ornament of majestic space. So he spoke. From the Royal Tantra on the Brilliant Diffusion of Majestic Space, this is Chapter 28, teaching the way that we are gathered into this dominion. There is no break in the continuum. Then again the Blessed One gave instruction to Vajradhara and the rest of them on the correct meaning. From the center of the space of the uncontrived mind, self-originating wisdom arises without our seeking it. It possesses most thoroughly the above, the below, the directions, and their boundaries. In the dominion of solitariness, everything is clear. Our seeing, hearing, and remembering, anything that appears to the face of our senses, is self-apparent, from out of a single absence of objects. So, except for our effortless essence of purpose, nothing appears and nothing is obstructed.